Welcome back, everyone. Today we will learn Extrude Cut in different ways in SolidWorks by creating this component. You can download PDF file with 2D drawing from below link for your practice. So let's get started. Select New Part. Use Top Plane to create sketch. Draw a circle with diameter 80 millimeters. Click on Features and then choose Extrude Boss Base. Select mid-plane and enter a length of 165 millimeters. Now, click on this face and select Sketch. Again, draw a circle. This time keep diameter 50 millimeters. Click on Features and select Extrude Cut. Select Blind and flip direction to remove material and then enter 40 millimeters. Check this box to flip the side of cut and click OK. Now select the other face to draw a sketch. Again, draw a circle of diameter 50 millimeters. Repeat the extrude cut to remove the material. This time keep the length 105 millimeters. Select this face again to draw a square of 26 millimeters by 26 millimeters. Select Features and then Extrude Cut to remove the material. This time you will see a square shape. Keep the dimensions 65 millimeters and mark the box to flip the side of cut. Now we will select this face and draw a sketch of circle with 20 millimeters diameter. Again, use Extrude Cut to remove material up to 30 millimeters length. Repeat same steps and draw a circle of 10 millimeters diameter and remove the material up to 10 millimeters. To create the slot on the top of shaft, we first have to create a reference plane. From Reference drop-down, select Plane. Click on this small mark to expand and select Front Plane. Enter distance of 22.5 millimeters from this front plane. Click OK to create this reference plane at the required distance. Now select this plane to draw a sketch. Select Center Point Slot from here. From origin, move your cursor upward and draw the vertical line and then move towards right to draw to complete slot. Choose Smart Dimension and keep distance of 14 millimeters from this edge. Select the center line of the slot and enter length of 12 millimeters. Select opposite sides to keep the diameter 14 millimeters. Select Features and then select Extrude Cut to create the required slot. Click on this plane, and then select the eye to hide this plane. Now we will create chamfer on the sharp edges. Enter chamfer of 1.5 mm and then select these edges. From Hole Wizard, select Thread option. Select this edge to cut thread. Keep condition blind. And thread length of 20 mm, select metric die and choose metric thread of M20 by 1.5. To show knurling, go to the option of Appearances. From Appearances drop-down, select Miscellaneous. Then choose 3D Textures and then look for Knurled Bump. Choose Knurled Bump and drag it over to face where knurling is required. To make knurling clear, first select Appearance options from here and then select Edit Appearances. Select this point on the handle and drag till knurling appeared to be clear. Our part is now fully completed. If you have any queries, please ask in comment section and do not forget to like and please subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.